and welcome to my hotel room in Saudi Arabia in Riyadh. Welcome to the vlog, guys. Hi, I'm Anisha. I'm going to show you the crib. So let's start right outside because I want you guys to have the full experience. You knock on my door and you come in to this kitchenette. Let me show you. So, hi. You have the station. These are some snacks that I got at breakfast that I didn't finish. So you can see, oh, that looks good. Got this pastry and then a muffin. And then you've got this coffee station and tea station. Then you come into the room and you've got the bed and the TV. I'm not really a TV lover, I'm not gonna lie. And it's also got a chair here, but let's just take you to the bedside. Here you've got the Quran and you've also got my Bible. So I bring my Bible with me now every time I travel. But then I thought it's actually good that they have a Quran. They have the English of the Quran. So I think it's really important to seek to learn more. And even if that's about faiths that aren't yours, I'm willing to learn what their faith means and more about the culture in general here in the Middle East, especially given my family live here, like a lot of my family live here, so my sister's working here, so I just think it's important. And in the bedside table they also have a I'm not sure the proper term for it, but it's the mat to pray on. And then, like I said, we've got the TV, and then on this side is another bedside table. Now, I've got a question for all of you guys. Are you unpackers on holiday, or are you suitcase live in suitcases? I like to unpack. I know it's not a popular opinion, unfortunately, but I love to unpack. So when I show you the wardrobes, I would have actually showed you something. So here we have the wardrobes. Let's open it like this. And also I'm wearing the full ensemble because I really wanted to be, gosh, shock horror, guys. I didn't realize there's a full length mirror in here. Wow, you learn new things every day. This is so cute. Hi guys. So, like I said, I'm wearing the full ensemble because I just thought it's fitting for a hotel tour to show you the hotel, you know? So I've unpacked, but my sister hasn't. We're two different types of people. So we have the Anashays and the Tinos. So here you have the other robe. My sister hasn't used hers yet. Then you've got my trench coat, my other coat, and then a like running fleece something. Then you've got my tops hung up and my bottoms hung up. I'm so glad they had these clips because it's so cute. And then you've got my gym set, pajamas, and a dress. I'm only staying for a few days, but I'll be damned if I don't have something to wear. And if something just spontaneously happens, I'm most likely prepared for it. Get what I'm saying? Then here we have the shoes. So I've got some heels, some like boots, and then my sandals. So I just think you need those three always. I wanted to bring my trainers as well, but then guys, it was too much. And I really thought I'm actually only here for 5 days. So let me just relax. And you've got the, what's it called? Ironing board and iron. I did actually have to request more hangers because I like to hang my stuff up, but see how I'm so much happier now. So yeah, on this side you just have my sister's suitcase because she likes to live from her suitcase, and that's fine. It makes more sense to do that 9 times out of 10 because it's easier to leave when you need to leave. But I want to feel like I'm living in the hotel. I want it to feel like home. And you're gonna see quickly that that's what this hotel feels like. Then I can't remember if I put anything in here. No, just the spare slippers. Yeah, just some spare slippers are in here in this drawer. And I definitely don't put anything in here. Yeah, there's nothing in here. So that's what that looks like. And there's a cupboard here as well. I don't think we're using this. No. But some storage. And then you won't believe who's using this cupboard. This guy! So I'm also using this cupboard just for some other random miscellaneous. So they had drawers here. I probably should have used the big drawers now I'm thinking about it. But so this is where I keep like some scarves, my silk scarves, my bonnet to sleep in, etc. And then let me show you guys. This drawer is my underwear, so I'm obviously not going to open that. And then this drawer I'm not using. Then you've got a safe, as you do, and you've got the hairdryer, the laundry stuff. And then this is where I put my suitcase, which is now empty because I've unpacked everything. Although I do have 2 suitcases. That's my other suitcase. The reason why that's there is because unfortunately there aren't enough cables, and I didn't bring a, what's it called? I didn't bring an extension cable, so I wanted to charge all my stuff, and then I would have just had an extension cable. Unfortunately, there's not. The plug placement in this hotel room is just a bit annoying, so I just keep my electronics that I use, but not every single day there, because there's a plug. You'll see there's a plug right there. And then you have my sofa and seating area. It's super nice over here. This is where I was eating my dinner last night, actually, the room service dinner. And then we have another chair with my bags, some tissue. What is this? Okay, it's just some tissue on the side. See my reflection once again. And the blinds do close, obviously. And then my favorite little nook is this. So this is the study area, and I actually do my editing right here. So if you're watching this video right now, I'm currently editing on that chair. And my lamp. Then, because I didn't bring an extension cable, I've just been charging things from my laptop, so that's why there's loads of cables there. But as you can see, I've got my hard drive, power bank, keys and stuff, an iPad, laptop, and my cup, which is actually making me drink so much water. So if you're thinking of getting one and you're not convinced, let me be your push factor to getting one. You should. I drink so much more water now. It's great. And then the bathroom. So the light's already on because I knew I was doing this video. But let's enter. So this is the shower area. I'm actually, we're not too impressed by the shower, but that's for another day. And then, guys. So this is this mirror. I'm actually upset there's not another mirror. There is one in the cupboard, but like a vanity mirror, because I like to sit down when I do my makeup, but I had to do it standing today here, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. And again, hi guys. Hi. I don't think it's focusing, it's really weird. There we go. Hi guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you're at this point in the video, please. So that's that. And that really helped me with my eyeliner today, actually. And then we've got this little station with the toilet and the, I forgot what that's called, the faucet. I was gonna say bidet, but that's not bidet. And another mirror. We can't have too many mirrors, although low-key, you know when you've got these type of mirrors, it's like one here, one here, one here, and then you've got this one. I was low-key bugging out when I was doing my makeup because I kept thinking that someone was in here. It wasn't me, but anyways. Yeah, that's the bathroom, and I think that concludes the tour. So let's end it here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this very, very fun little tour of the apartment. I might do a second one that's like a spin-off of MTV Cribs with my sister recording, but I just wanted to show you guys where I'm staying, and I don't know, I find these interesting to watch, so I wanted to give you guys one. And low-key, these are really easy to edit. Like, these videos are so easy to edit, so I'm inclined to do that, and I just want to be giving you guys content on a more regular basis. So I really hope you guys like this video, and just to remind you to like, comment and subscribe. Tell me whether you are an unpacker or a packer. Wait, no. Whether you're an unpacker or a suitcase, keep your clothes in your suitcase are. I don't know what the official term for that is, but let me know, guys. And I'm going to be vlogging while I'm on my trip, so I really hope you guys enjoy those. Those will be coming. We'll see how quickly I can edit. And yeah, I'm really glad you guys are on the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and the reason, sorry, this is just a disclaimer, but the reason I wanted to film this now, just in case, is because, like I said, we weren't too happy with the bathroom, so we were trying to change rooms. So there's a chance that there'll be another room that you guys will see. If it's very, very similar to this one, minus the bathroom, I'm not gonna film a whole nother video, but it's likely that we're gonna change rooms. So that's why I just wanted to give you guys a tour. Yes, I know it's annoying because I've unpacked, but you know, it's like, which problems would you rather have in life? I'm happy to take this problem, you know, like realistically, I'm happy. But yes, thank you for watching. It's been Anna Shay. Bye, guys.